of racial discrimination in South Africa was called apartheid. What is a apartheid? So a system of racial discrimination in South Africa was called apartheid. The white Europeans imposed this system on South Africa. During the 17th and 18th century, the trading companies from Europe occupied with it with arms and force in the way they occupied India. It means during 17th century, as white Europeans or British occupied India with arms and force, similarly South Africa was also occupied by traders, white European traders, with arms and force. But unlike India, a large number of whites had settled in South Africa and became the local rulers. But in India, no white Europeans or European traders settled, while in South Africa, a number of white European traders settled, and over time they became the rulers of South Africa. The system of apartheid, this policy of apartheid policy, or this racial discriminating principle or policy of white European government divided the people and labeled them on the basis of their skin color. Or you can say that apartheid policy divided the people on the basis of color of their skins in South Africa. The native people of South Africa are black in color. They made up of 3/4 of the population, and they were called blacks. It means blacks were the major proportion of the total population in South Africa, but they were treated inhumanely. Besides these two groups, there were people of mixed races who were called colored. It means two groups were made in South Africa, white and blacks. Besides of these two groups, a mixed races also lived in South Africa who were called colored, and people who migrated from India. And these colored people were migrated people from India. As we know that Mahatma Gandhi, who became the father of nation later, how was he treated in South Africa under the apartheid policy of the white European government? There we know well. The white rulers treated all non-whites as inferiors. It means white people considered the colored people as inferiors. The non-whites did not have voting rights. It means the non-white people had not voting rights. The apartheid system was particularly oppressive for the blacks. They were forbidden from living in white areas. They could work in white areas only if they had a permit. It means they could work in white areas only after the permission of the government. Trains, buses, taxis, hotels, hospitals, schools, colleges, libraries, cinema halls, theaters, beaches, swimming pools, public toilets, all were separate for the whites and blacks. It means which public places were used by whites, there blacks could not go, or colored people could not go or could not use. This was called segregation. It means separate public places for different classes of the people is called segregation. They could not even visit the churches where the white worshipped. Even black could not visit the churches where white worshipped. Blacks could not form association. They could not protest against the terrible treatment of the white people or white government. Since 1950, the blacks, colored and Indians fought against the apartheid system. They launched protest marches and strikes to fight against the apartheid policy. Blacks and colored people launched protest marches and strikes. The African National Congress was formed that led the struggle against the policies of segregation and apartheid. This included National African Congress, African National Congress, ANC. It was included many workers' unions and Communist Party. Many sensitive whites also joined the ANC. As in recent time, dear students, the Tomorrow's News at TV in USA, in America, a police killed a black people on road to punch their throat or neck. Against it, in many provinces of USA, white people came on roads and they are supported by a number of whites also. Similarly, when ANC, African National Congress, was formed, in which the communist and many workers' unions were included, and many white people also joined the ANC or African National Congress. Several countries denounced or criticized the apartheid as unjust and racist policy of the white government in South Africa. It means many countries condemned the apartheid racist policy of the South African white government. But white racist government continued to rule by detaining, torturing and killing thousands of black and colored people. In spite of a struggle of the people, in spite of condemnment of the many countries, the white government continued to rule by detaining the revolutionaries in jails, torturing and killing thousands of black and the colored people. Thus, the struggle began in South Africa against segregation and apartheid policy of the white South African government. In next class, students, we will discuss about the drawing of Constitution of South Africa. How was the Constitution of South Africa drawn up, which became a democratic country in recent time? Okay, thank you.